Articular oleoresin. Properties: the articular resin designed specifically to restore the joints and spine. It is effectively used for healing wounds and burns, fungal skin lesions, spurs, varicose veins, bedsores. SAP joint successfully used for massage. Indications: prevention of diseases of the musculoskeletal system and spine. Helps to restore cartilage and joint fluid. In the treatment of sprains and bruises, sciatica, arthritis. In case of articular pains of different nature. Diseases of the peripheral nervous system with pain syndrome, neuralgia, osteochondrosis. Inflammatory diseases of soft tissues and joints, myositis, myalgia, polyarthritis, osteoarthritis. Traumatic injuries of the musculoskeletal system, muscles and ligaments. For the treatment and prevention of sports injuries. Recommended for massage. Insect bites.